Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Muhammad Shwaib. Welcome back. Today, in this tutorial video, we will learn what is a Genie and why it's useful in the SCADA development in the plant SCADA and how we can configure the step by step. In the plant SCADA, the Genie is a reusable graphic object or the group of objects that you can store in Genie library. Instead of the configuring every object individually, you can design a Genie once and reuse it across your project. For example, you could create a Genie for the motor that include a start stop button and running status. Then you can use the Genie for the multiple motor, saving the time and ensure consistency in your design. So for example, in the previous tutorial, we created this pump object through symbol. And if you have like the more than 50 or 30 motors in your entire plant, and you want to like reuse your object, so you must have to use the Genie. If you will not use the Genie, if you will create individual motors symbols and their configuration, so then it will take huge time. And even if the small modification you have to do, then each of the motor object or symbol you have to go there and you have to modify it. But if you use the Genie, in that case, once place, if you modify it, it will update in all of the graphic objects. So let's see how we can configure it, Genie, in the plant SCADA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorials. So click here in the launch the graphic builder, then click here into add, and then select the Genie, this second last option. Click here to Genie. Now we'll create here right now the our motor object, graphic object. I will select on. For the off, I will select the gray color, and on I will select the green color. Now here I will put the name like for example the pump running or run. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll use the full substitution method, so I will put the complete name and I will press apply and okay. Now I want to put the below like the name of my pump, and here I will replace like pump name. Okay, and I will just apply, and after that I will just little bit bold, increase the size, and I will change the color to white. Select it, align center. Okay, now I want to put auto and manual status also for the pump, so I will write in the A for auto. I will bold it, and now here so I will configure it. I will put configuration later. First I will just copy and paste for the manual. Here M for the manual. Okay, align both. top. No. Okay, perfect. Now I will change the color white and apply. And secondly, I will here put the visibility. For example, I will put the pump auto and percentage is equal then high if once the value this bit is 0 is mean it should not be in the auto mode, because once the bit is true then it's mean that it's in the auto mode. So once the bit is 0, it means it's not in the auto mode. Okay, I will copy this same and I will paste for the other. Okay, click OK. Here also manual. I will change first the color and put the visibility opposite to that one. Apply. OK. Now our Genie is ready. I will save it. Here I will put the Genie name. For example, first we have to here I already have the Genie library CS. You can create any of the other libraries. For example, I will the library name control system CS group and okay, and then here I will put the name of my Genie. I will write the name like motor type 1 and click here over the OK and file and close. Now I will open my overview page that I already created in my previous tutorials. So I will simply uh, this same we already created. I will replace with this object whatever we created in the Genie. So I will click here into paste Genie option. Then we'll select our library where we create the our Genie, that is CS group, and select the motor type 1. Click OK. Now here we have to put the our runtime tag motor name. For example, my motor name is pump 1. Now here auto and manual we have to give the our object name. There's two way. Either you are using like this manual tag name, you can select complete tag name here, or you are using the equipment editor. In that case, you can whole complete name this. For example, in my case, this is a my whole complete tag name. So you can copy also the same tag name. So in this example, I will just copy the same tag name. Okay, and now here I will put the my manual tag also. So this is the same tag that here we already have running tag. Okay, so here is my running tag, and from here I have the auto manual tag that we are already creating through our equipment instance. Okay, click here the OK, and here actually it goes up. Now I will delete this one that we already created for our tutorial, and I will just adjust. Okay, okay. Now, for example, I want to put the capitals from 1. Okay, and here you can see it's showing the left side. Okay, I will save it and I will open again Genie and see. I think it's not, yeah, it's not aligned center. Should apply, save, and close it. So here you can see it's right now coming in the middle. Okay, fine. Now we paste our Genie here that we already created, and we also link our Genie with the tag name also. Now we'll save it and we'll run it in the runtime. First we compile our project, and after that we'll run it and we'll see the result. Click OK. Okay. So now here you see my with 13 RH is 2. That's why it's showing the motor on. If I will turn off it, here you can see right now my motor is turned off now. And if I will on it again, here you can see it's perfectly updating. Similar manner, if I will change or auto manual, here you can see right now the bit is true, is that's why it's showing the auto. Once the bit is false, it will show this in the manual position. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a Genie in the plant SCADA using the full substitution method. In the next coming up tutorial video, we'll use the equipment editor tags and we'll see how we can configure the Genie. Thanks for watching this video.